Alright, today we have an interesting tutorial about computer vision where we'll be exploring optical character recognition feature known as OCR. So let's dive into the portal without much talking. I'm in the Azure portal here. I'm in the Azure AI service. Let's open AI service. Next, we need to go to computer vision because OCR belongs to computer vision feature. I'll click on create. Let's select the resource group where we want the computer vision service to be deployed. Let's give one name for our service. For pricing tier, let's select as standard S1. We'll check mark this, click on review and create. Let's click on the create button to deploy computer vision. So it's initializing deployment. It should be done shortly. Alright, it says our deployment got completed. We'll go to our resource group now. Let's open Cloud Guru Amit OCR, which is computer vision service. I'll open my service and here let's explore using first Vision Studio. I'll click here Vision Studio. So here we go with multiple options. We have optical character recognition. For this tutorial we'll be looking into optical character recognition in the interest of time. And here if you look, we got extract text from images. Let's click here, and here are some sample files as well, but for this tutorial I have my own file which is the image on my computer which is having my picture with Cloud Guru Amit and the job role chief technical trainer. It's there. Let's browse this file and let's see what magic computer vision does with it. So let's click on browse for a file, and here let's browse our file Amit. It got loaded and it's detected attributes. If you look here, it has correctly you can see there are bounding boxes. See, you can see the box, right? Orange box it's mentioned, and it's also highlighting here what it's written where. See, as I move here, it's automatically doing it. I can zoom this picture by doing this, zoom out as well, right? So this is what goes with the from the Vision Studio. It looks there are I can detect as well credit card or debit card as well. If you look here, see, if you take the picture of it, it can also detect these things. Wherever numbers or anything is written, it will show in a bounding box. So now let's say you don't have the access to the front end, how what I'm doing, right? In many projects you might not be having the rights to or the permissions to upload just like me. The architect might be giving you the keys using Visual Studio where you need to do it programmatically, right? So how do we do it, right? Here we have the options for take photo as well. It is a very interactive in the portal, but using like coding, it becomes like it's a different story, right? So let's go here. Let's do it programmatically to achieve the same objective. I'll go to resource management. All right, here we have the keys and endpoint. Let's copy this in a notepad. So I have copy pasted the endpoints and the keys which will be requiring in Visual Studio. So here we go with the Visual Studio. Let's browse our project folder now. The project folder is located here in hands-on files. So this is Cloud Guru Amit OCR. This is the project folder what we need to browse using the Visual Studio. Let's go ahead and browse it. I'll go to Visual Studio, open local folder. Here we have the Cloud Guru Amit OCR. Let's select folder, open this. So here if we need to open the file which is ocr.ps1, I have already opened it, and here we have the keys and the endpoint. So let's substitute the values whatever we have in our notepad. I'll copy this. Let's put the value inside the double quotation mark. Please make sure the double quotations are there, otherwise your program when run will throw error. I'll paste similarly the endpoint part. Let's delete it. Let's paste it, and please make sure there's a star mark. I need to save it. I'll save here, and here we have my folder. I need to open the terminal in order to execute it. I'll right click it, open in terminal. So everything, the entire code I have written for you, you don't have to worry, and the code is also there in the Word file as a backup which you can refer as well, right? I'll explain you in a bit. So first, let's try to open one of the, the files to test. So let's check the letter one. So letter looks something like this on my computer. So this is a letter. So let's try to execute how what computer vision detects in this letter. Let me copy this and try to paste in the Visual Studio. The command goes, the /file name ocr.ps1 is my file name, right? Which contains the logic for the code, right? And letter.jpg is the file which we want to analyze. Let's hit enter. So if you check here, we are getting error, unauthorized access. So I have a workaround for it as well. So it is written here, if the above code returns error, execute this command. So here is the bypass command, which will help us to execute our command. Let's copy this. Let's paste this and hit enter here. So it's done. Now let's try to run the above command once again, that is ocr ps1 letter.jpg. Let's hit enter. So it says analyze image. Let's wait for a while. Yep, here we go. Computer vision has fetched the results. So if I move a little bit up, so let me open the letter as well, so that you'll have a view of it, how it looks, right? So if I see here, see, it's everything is there from the date 23rd January 2020 is this one is date. It has read already the it has given the bounding box as well. These are the kind of coordinates, the rectangular thing, orange thing you have noted in the API, in the portal. So here we go with the coordinates. Similarly, if you compare the entire thing, all the text computer vision has analyzed and given the bounding box. If you look, the employees is another process, loyal something, right? It is this one. If you look, and in the bounding box is also given the coordinates one, right? So that's what it goes programmatically. Let's test out for some other like files what I have. Let's copy this. This has got images and everything. Let's paste this. It's analyzing image. I'll open you what's there, the advert one. So advert one looks something like this. Yeah, so here we go. It says not wind traders bounding box, right? Page winker and something, it's there. It will be something here, right? Which even with our normal eyes, if we cannot see, computer vision will do it. And here we go with the fresh produce, friendly service. Here we go, friendly service bounding box. So everything is there. Now try to test the last notes file. Let's copy it and let's paste it, hit enter. It's analyzing results, and here we go with the results itself. So let's check out the notes. It is the last one. See, shopping list, bounding box, we have the coordinates, everything got detected, right? Whatever, even handwritten text got gets also detected. So that's what is the concept of computer vision. So we got the entire picture of it. Let's dive into the architecture diagram as a refresher. So here we have used computer vision service, we have used in the portal as well, and so how the bounding box gets the text are easily detected using computer vision service using OCR, known as Optical Character Recognition feature. We have programmatically used the Visual Studio to connect to computer vision and achieve the same functionality just like the portal. If you're a developer, don't have the access to complete Azure Portal to deploy resources, we can also use Visual Studio if we have the keys and endpoints. So that's what it goes with the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video.